Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the chemiosmotic theory for ATP synthesis. As you know that this theory proposed by Peter Missel scientist in 1961. So, according to Peter Missel scientist, transport of hydrogen ions or protons from matrix region of mitochondria to perimitochondrial space. Then electrochemical gradient is developed on two sides of membrane. As you know that cell membrane has two layer or two surface. This is outer surface and this is inner surface. And inside the membrane, lipid bilayer is present. It means cell membrane is made up of phospholipid and proteins. Inner membrane of mitochondria. Okay, and it is the exosolic phase of inner membrane, and it is cytosolic phase of inner membrane. Okay, and inner side lipid bilayer is found. And lipid bilayer is hydrophobic in nature, then charged particles cannot pass out through directly inside the matrix. Okay, let's see. Protons are pumped out from matrix to perimitochondrial space. Then pH of perimitochondrial space become low due to hydrogen ions, and pH of matrix region become high. These H plus are released from oxidation of NADH2 and FADH2, and some H plus are already present in matrix region due to Krebs cycle. Okay, इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम जिसको हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. फाइव कंपोनेंट्स. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ. Are present inside the inner membrane of mitochondria, and electrons are transferred in cyclic way. Okay, as it is, ये डायग्राम मैं यहाँ पे रख रही हूँ. और इसमें ओनली अपन 5th कॉम्प्लेक्स को शो कर रहे हैं, बाकी कॉम्प्लेक्स मैंने शो नहीं किए। ठीक है, तो ETS के थ्रू जब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 5th कॉम्प्लेक्स तक पहुंचते हैं, 4th कॉम्प्लेक्स के पास में होता है ऑक्सीजन जो रिड्यूस होके वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बना देता है। फर्दर प्रोटॉन पंप होने की वजह से पेरी माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल स्पेस के अंदर H+ आयंस की कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होने से इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल ग्रेडियंट, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल प्रोटॉन ग्रेडियंट क्रिएट होता है। इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल प्रोटॉन ग्रेडियंट क्रिएट होने के 2 रीजन है। फर्स्ट रीजन, इंक्रीज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन और इंक्रीज इन द pH इन पेरी माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल स्पेस और इंटर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल रीजन। सेकेंड, difference between electrochemical gradient on two side of membrane. Outer side H+ की कंसंट्रेशन हाई है और इनसाइड H+ की कंसंट्रेशन कम है। देन outer surface of inner membrane become positively charged and inner membrane become negatively charged. Okay, as we know that cell membrane is charged, then inner membrane want to be charge balance, so some positive charge move inside the matrix region of mitochondria, but charged particles directly माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन से पास आउट नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कौन है, लिपिड बाइलेयर। इलेवेंथ क्लास में अपन ने सेल मेम्ब्रेन के लिए फ्लूइड मॉजिक मॉडल पढ़ा था और फ्लूइड मॉजिक मॉडल के अंदर अपन ने स्ट्रक्चर देखी थी सेल मेम्ब्रेन की। These circular shape structures are phosphorus and these tail-like structures are acyl chain of lipids, and inside integral proteins are present, and some proteins are attached to surface of membrane. Those proteins which are attached to surface of membranes are known as extrinsic protein or peripheral, because these are attached to periphery region. Okay, and proteins which are found between the phospholipid bilayer, it is the head of phosphorus, these are hydrophobic, acyl chain of lipid. Okay, phosphorus is hydrophilic and acyl chain is hydrophobic in nature. So it is the lipid bilayer, half part and half part of lipid form bilayer. Entrancing protein, other name integral protein. Okay, so in the structure of cell membrane, some proteins are embedded in the lipid bilayer and some proteins are attached to surface of cell membrane. It means peripheral and integral proteins are present in the structure of cell membrane, and these proteins, integral proteins, help in the transport of ions, minerals and molecules. So in this complex fifth or ATP synthase behave like protein channel, F0 particles behave like integral protein, and F1 behave like peripheral protein. ओके, ये याद रखना, F1 जो पार्ट होता है, जो हेड पार्ट है कॉम्प्लेक्स फिफ्थ का, इसका फेस ऑलरेडी मैट्रिक्स साइड होता है. ओके, और F0 लिपिड बाइलेयर में इम्बेडेड रहता है बिकॉज ये हाइड्रोफोबिक नेचर का है और ये हाइड्रोफिलिक नेचर का है. नाउ for charge balance, electrochemical gradient, proton gradient. Okay, now some protons move inside it means 2H plus across the membrane via complex fifth and when inorganic phosphate and H plus also pass through inner membrane to matrix, because inorganic phosphate is charged particles and when H plus इसके साथ मैट्रिक्स रीजन में आता है. देन ADP which is already present in mitochondria matrix region and inorganic phosphate convert into ATP molecule in the presence of ATPase enzyme. It means 2H plus are required for 1 ATP synthesis. So chemiosmotic theory prove that protons which are pumped to perimitochondrial space create electrochemical gradient, then membrane become charge imbalance. So for charge balance on the surface of membrane, it means two sides of membrane, proton motive force generate, then rotation of F0 F1 particle and 2H plus move inside the matrix region and inorganic phosphate, then ADP bind with inorganic phosphate in the presence of ATPase enzyme and convert into ATP molecules. Okay. Now aerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid has been completed. Now we are going to talk about the anaerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid. Next topic. Anaerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid. As you know that pyruvic acid is the end product of glycolysis and it can be oxidized in the presence or absence of oxygen. So in the absence of oxygen, oxidation of pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm called it anaerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid. And in this process pyruvic acid firstly form acetaldehyde and CO2 by decarboxylase enzyme or fermentation process, and in second step acetaldehyde reduced to alcohol or organic acid. Okay, so in anaerobic oxidation of pyruvic acid, two enzymes are required. First, decarboxylase, and second, dehydrogenase enzyme, and where dehydrogenase enzyme is required, so we also talk about the NADH2. So in anaerobic oxidation, NADH2 oxidized to NAD plus and acetaldehyde reduced to alcohol or organic acid. Okay. Now synonymal topic of anaerobic oxidation is fermentation. Anaerobic oxidation and fermentation are synonyms each other. It means synonymous process to anaerobic प्रोसेस. ओके, एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन और फर्मेंटेशन दोनों एक ही है. फर्मेंटेशन फाउंड इन most of bacteria and fungi in the absence of oxygen. Okay, it means fermentation is the anaerobic process and it occurs in bacteria and fungi and some higher plants. Okay, Buchner scientist isolate Zymase enzyme from yeast cell. Yeast means fungi, unicellular fungus. Example of unicellular fungus is yeast. And Buchner scientists isolated the Zymase enzyme which found in yeast cells in present time Zymase enzyme bring about the fermentation process even in the absence of yeast cell. बेकरी प्रोडक्ट सिंथेसिस में जाइमेज एंजाइम ही यूज किया जाता है बिकॉज ये आइसोलेट कर लिया गया है. सो यीस्ट डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं ली जाती बिकॉज यीस्ट सेल के अंदर फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस चलती है वो भी जाइमेज एंजाइम की हेल्प से. सो फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन एंजाइम और इन फर्मेंटेशन decarboxylase and dehydrogenase enzyme are used. Okay, now types of fermentation. On the basis of end product format fermentation process are of 4 types. Okay, first, alcoholic fermentation, Second, lactic acid fermentation. Third type, acetic acid fermentation. And fourth, butyric acid fermentation. Okay, these types are formed according to end product synthesis in fermentation process. Now, firstly we are going to talk about the alcoholic fermentation. This is the common type of fermentation and it is found in most of fungi, some higher plants. Okay, and this process completed in following 2 steps. In first step, decarboxylation of pyruvic acid results formation of acetaldehyde and release of CO2 in the presence of decarboxylase enzyme. It means pyruvic acid convert into acetaldehyde and CO2 molecules in the presence of decarboxylase enzyme. When CO2 molecules released from pyruvic acid, then 2 carbon compound acetaldehyde is formed in the first step of fermentation in alcoholic fermentation, because it is the common process. Now, in second step, acetaldehyde reduced to ethyl alcohol in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. Then NADH2 oxidized to NAD plus. Okay, and ethyl alcohol is the product of alcoholic fermentation. Okay, so in alcoholic fermentation, decarboxylase, dehydrogenase and NADH2 are required, and this process occurs in some higher plants and fungus.